Recording progress.
Hello guys, today I'm going to present the topic transforming business through information technology. So I'll be presenting a brief overview of how computers and information technologies plays a vital role in modern business operations. This includes hardware, software, internal CPU components, input-output devices, and of course, the importance of information technology in business environments. So I have prepared a mind map to explain this. So this is the mind map that I've created, and let's start with the physical component. We have essential hardware such as CPU, RAM, and ROM, which forms the brain and memory of the computer. Then we have the storage unit like HDD, SSDs, CDs, DVDs, and USB, etc., that are used to store data, software, and backup for backupping. Now we are moving on to the input devices. This allows us to interact with the computers. Example, it includes keyboard, scanner, mouse, microphone, etc. On the other hand, we have our output devices such as displays, monitors, printers, speakers, which present data and information for the users. So the next is that we have CPU internals. Inside a CPU, we have several critical components such as ALU, also known as arithmetic logical unit. This is used for mathematical operations. And we have CU, control unit. It direct process. And we have registers for temporary data storage. And we have cache memory to speed up access for frequent data use. These are the elements that work together to process data efficiently and keep the system running smoothly. So on the right hand side, we have software side. So we have three main categories: operating system like Windows, Linux, which manage the hardware and basic operations. And we have applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and browsers, etc. And we have utilities such as antivirus software, disk cleanup tools, which helps to maintain our system performance. So finally, let's understand why information technology is so important on business today. So first is that storing and managing data. It helps in storing and managing data securely and efficiently in order to secure the business data. So information technology supports communication across teams through email, video calls, and collaboration tools such as Meets, etc. And it enables workforce automation by saving times and increasing accuracy by using information technology. And it ensures cybersecurity measures by protecting the information of the business from threats. So to conclude, whether it's a hardware we use, the software we depend on, or the information system that we support daily business function, the computer and information system are essential for productivity, communication, and innovation in every industries. So next, I'm gonna quickly explain the computer booting process using a simple flowchart that I have prepared. So the booting process begins with the start computer boot step. This is when you power on your system. And right after that, the computer performs an power on self-test or post. This step checks if all essential hardware components such as RAM, keyboard, and motherboard are working properly. Now, the decision point. If the point is successful, the system moves forward. If the post is failed, the computer will display an error and shut down. And if everything is fine, the system proceeds to the load the booter loader. This is a small program that loads the main operating system. Next, the system initializes the kernel, which is the core of the operating system responsible for managing hardware and processing. Then it starts essential system service like device drive and background tasks. After that, the user interface is loaded, which could be a desktop environment or login screen. Finally, the system reaches the system ready state, and now your computer is fully booted and ready to be used. And this is the process of booting system. And thank you.